In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get commission in TikTok Shop. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in the app, how to add products to your showcase, and where to check the commission you earn from every purchase driven by your content. Start by opening your TikTok account and heading to your profile. From your profile screen, tap the three horizontal lines in the top corner to open the main menu. In this menu, choose TikTok Studio. If you don't immediately see it, make sure your app is updated and you're using an eligible region, as menu labels can vary slightly. Once you're inside TikTok Studio, select TikTok Shop for Creator. This is the hub where creators manage product partnerships and commissions. Next, go to Product Marketplace. This is where you can browse items offered by different sellers. Each product listing typically shows a commission rate, so take a moment to check the percentage and any basic requirements noted by the seller. Pick products that fit your niche and that you feel comfortable recommending. When you find a good match, tap. Add to include that item in your creator showcase. Think of your showcase as your storefront on TikTok. These are the products you're highlighting that can generate commissions when your audience buys through your content. After you've added products, it's time to track your results. Head back into TikTok Studio, open TikTok Shop for Creator again, and then tap Manage Showcase. This section lets you see what you've added, how it's performing, and how much commission you've earned from purchases attributed to your content. You can also decide to keep, swap, or remove products based on performance. Earnings usually reflect sales that come through your videos, live sessions, and product placements that are linked to your showcase. A few tips to make the most of this. Choose trustworthy products and read their descriptions so you know what you're recommending. Be clear and honest when you talk about items in your videos. Transparency builds trust and can increase conversions. Keep an eye on commission rates and stock levels in the product marketplace, since availability and percentages can change. And check your managed showcase regularly so you can prioritize products that resonate with your audience. That's the full path. Open your profile, use the menu to enter TikTok Studio, go to TikTok Shop for Creator, add items from Product Marketplace, and monitor everything in Managed Showcase. Follow these steps consistently, and you'll be set up to earn commission from every eligible purchase made through your TikTok content.